Hi, it's Rich Jackson at Maptek, and today we're going to take a quick look at how we can get our finished models out of Vulcan GeologyCore. If we want to export a single file or a single file type, our best way is to use the export option on the home ribbon. With anything that we have selected, we can export into a number of file types. And once exported, we'll see these in our working directory and be able to load them straight into Vulcan. If we would like to transfer CAD data into Vulcan without exporting as an archive file, we can link directly to the project, where we can see our design database, and copy layers across directly into that, seeing them straight away in Vulcan. If you would like to publish your entire geological model, including your drill holes, wireframes, and possibly block model, back into Vulcan, we do have a Publish to Vulcan option available on our modeling ribbon. We can select an entire folder of triangulations, any number of block models, and any updates to your drilling database that may have occurred using your domain manager or other editing tools in Vulcan GeologyCore. Not only can we publish all of these files to unique locations in a single go, but this will also monitor if any changes have happened in GeologyCore, prompting you to update or republish your model when you need to. While this is the final video in the Simplify Your Modelling Process series, do check back as we will continue to make these instructional videos and help you continue your geological modelling journey.